Hi everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to keep your green onion fresh in your fridge. Put the green onion, cut green onion into a vinyl bag like with zipper like this. So it's gonna be like cutting three would be nice. Right. Downside down, upside up. Prepare paper towel. Okay, paper towel. I cut one paper towel into two. Wrap it like here. Downside down. Fix it with the rubber band. Upside up. Upside up. Soak in water. Both sides. Put them into the vinyl bag with the zipper like this. Okay, here it is. Just keep it like upside up, downside down in your fridge. Bye, see you.